Hey guys, it's Rhea. I have another declutter video for you. This is all my lip pencils and also like any stick type lipsticks I'm doing in this video as well. But we're going to start with the lip pencils first. If you haven't seen my declutter videos before, definitely check the link down below in the description bar. Alright, I have become less and less and less of a lip pencil person over time, so I have to be a little bit more brutal. Sorry, my swatching hand looks horrible because I just did liquid lipsticks, so hopefully, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. Okay, anyway, MAC. Let's pull out all the MAC ones. I don't have a ton. Do I have 4? I thought I had 4. I only see 3 here. Anyways, I love all these. I feel like they're all very, very similar though. So I've got Soar, I've got Subculture, and I have Dervish. I feel like Dervish and Subculture are very similar, so I don't need all 3, especially because I don't, like I said, I'm not using them more and more lately. So I think I'm going to keep Subculture and get rid of Dervish, and I will keep Soar. I really, really like it. It's really good for neutral, like neutral looks. Urban Decay, let's do those next. Naked 2, I am actually like panning right now, so that's definitely staying. Plus it's just a really good nude. And is that all my Urban Decay? No, one more. Okay, so this one is my only really like deep shade. This is actually an eyeliner. It's called Alkaline, but I use it as a lip liner. Like it's super vampy. So I kind of need that one because it's the only thing like that I own. Same with this. Let's just compare colors before I just do brands. In terms of like deep berry shades, I've got these 3. I've got this Milani one. Yeah, this Milani one in fuchsia, and then this Urban Decay one is called Jilted, which it's very, very similar. Actually, I kind of feel like I like Milani a little bit better. It felt a little nicer. And then this is like a 100 Point Perk or something from Bite. It's number 034. Yeah, that's very different actually. That's more like a cool toned mauve-y shade. I'm going to keep the Milani and the Bite and get rid of this Urban Decay one. I've got 2 from Sephora. I kind of want to keep both of these. This is so different. This one here, it's like this very cool toned purple shade. It's called, this is called Bellflower. This is their Contour Rouge Gel Lip Liner. I just don't have anything like that, so that can stay. Oh, there was another Urban Decay one here. Turn On. What are you? That's just kind of like a basic pink. Whenever I use those kind of shades of lipstick, I never really wear lip liner. So I'm just going to get rid of that one. Okay, and then this one from Sephora is called... This one from Sephora is called Midday Rosé. It's a really nice light pink. Ooh, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I feel like I don't need that actually. So it's a beautiful formula, those Sephora ones. This is what's left of my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I couldn't think of it. It's been a while since I used this because I've been using Naked 2 more from Urban Decay, which they are very similar, but there's no way I'm getting rid of this. That will get used up at some point. All the NYX ones, I actually am going to be talking about them in a video soon, and I really need to keep them for that I have planned. But I only have 3 anyway, right? I think so. They're all very different. This one is like a really nice rosy reddish pink. It's super pretty. Not rosy reddish pink, like a coral reddish pink actually. That one is in the shade, what are you? Rosy Sunset. Okay. And this one is Nude Suede Shoes, which is a beautiful nude. Tripping over my tongue. This one is called Bed Rose. I've talked about this many times. It's one of my favorites. I love this. It's just a really nice nudie, but a little bit of pink in it. So I'm definitely keeping that. OG Lolita from Kat Von D. I'm going to keep that. I mean, I have the lipstick version of it too, so it's nice to go together. This from Essence, I feel like is going to be... Yeah, it's kind of similar enough to some things I've kept that I don't really need it. But these Essence ones with the silver cap, man, they are so nice. Satin mauve, I was gonna say satin mauve, whichever way you want to slice it. And then like this nude one too. Just they're so, oh sorry, they're so creamy and nice. But I have enough nudes. I don't use these because I have too much. So there you go. This Lord and Berry one doesn't even have a cap. This Tardis one is like a red, but I don't need it because I have this one from Essence, which is called Femme Fatale, which is the best red lip liner out there. It's just so great. I love these Essence ones. They're such good quality. And this is like another SK1. It's just like this reddish pink, but I got that in like a box, so I don't need that. I'm trying to be eco-friendly and not use makeup wipes for taking off swatches and use just a washcloth, but it's really not working out very well. I even have my micellar water here too. It's such a mess on my hand. And I know it looks kind of gross, so I apologize. Okay, these Rimmel ones, I like all these so much, but again, I just don't use them. This one I feel like I can't let go, because it's such a pretty shade just all over the lips by itself. Oh, sometimes this is kind of crumbling though. Ew, that's kind of gooey now. Yeah, they're getting old. All right, I think it's just time to say goodbye. These two Wet n Wild ones, I love the formula of the Wet n Wild ones. They're so good and so cheap. So those can stay. And then this BH Cosmetics one, it's called Rouge, but it's more of like a vampy deep shade. But now I have that Urban Decay Alkaline one. And this is kind of dry, so I can get rid of that. All right, that was pretty successful. Here's what we're keeping. Here's what we're decluttering. I'm not going to count them because I am late from my husband's shouting at me. Okay, so I'm going to move on quickly to all these kind of like bullet type lip products. Some of them are more lipsticks. I just kind of grabbed from one drawer, so forgive me if they're not all exactly what you're expecting them to be. But anyways, here's where we are with this. All these Bite Beauty ones, you guys, this was like a gift set when I first started my channel. I never use these, ever. Ever, ever, ever. And I do like them. They're good quality. I just don't use them, so I'm just going to pass this on to a friend. I'm tired of feeling guilty looking at it, you know what I mean? These Quo ones, I love this one. I don't even know if they're still available because I got them on sale for like $2 a piece. This one's called Almond Nude. It's a beautiful formula. It's comfortable. It smells great. It looks good. This one though is called Eggplant, I think. Yeah, and it's very patchy, so that one's gonna go. This is one from Nude Sticks. I got this in some kind of box and I don't like it. It's so deep. It's such a nice formula though, like it's so creamy, it feels great, but it just does not look right on me. Super Strawberry from Clinique. I was obsessed with this a few years ago, which is why I bought a full size, but I just never wear it anymore, so I'm gonna let go of that. Let's Go Crazy from NARS. This was like a 100-point perk. It's a shade that looks good on me, but I have this exact shade in so many other things that I don't need it in this format, so I'm gonna let that go. The Clinique Almost lipstick, is that what this is called? It's like, or is this something else? It doesn't say on here. This was also like a 100-point perk. This is that one where it like goes on like really clear and then it changes. It looks really good on. It's fairly new, so I'm gonna keep it. This is one of the new Revlon, what are these even called? It doesn't say anywhere on the package, just on the sticker. I don't know, the color is HD Sand. I don't like the way these feel and I do not like the smell, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Here's another NARS one. Oh, this was from the, yeah, this was from the gift set Rakugian. Doesn't look good on me. I never wear it, so let's get rid of that one. And then this one, was this also, is this Cruella? Yeah, I have enough reds. It's beautiful, but I don't need it. Oh, sorry, I don't need it. So that can go as well. This Matte Clever, this Patent Polish, love this. It's really pretty. This Nude Sticks does not look good on me. I can't remember where I got this from. It's called Belle. Or wait, am I thinking of something else? Because that looks really nice. I think I'm thinking of something else. I'm going to put this in my test it out video because I just want to see if that shade looks good on me. Looking at it, I think it will, and it's a nice formula. And I think the only reason I was not using it because I thought it was something I didn't like. So we're going to test that one. This Rimmel one is so old. Even the name is all rubbed off. It's a really pretty color, but I just don't use it. So I'll let that one go finally. I love this shade, this NYX Super Clicky. It's called, you're supposed to just like, you click it and then that's how the lipstick comes up. It's very gimmicky, but the shade is really nice. It looks really good on me, so I'm gonna definitely keep this. Okay, this Sephora collection, this is such a unique shade. It's so cool. It's like this brown, but with glitter in it, but it does not look good on me, and I think I was in denial. It's called, I don't know, it says number 24. That's all it says. Couple Bite Beauty ones here. This is Pastille. This was like, I think a 100-point perk, and I'm pretty sure I like that on me, so I will keep that one. And then this is another one, I think was like either a gift with purchase or a 100-point perk. That is identical to that Nude Sticks one, like the same color, just a different formula. And it's called Leche. Well, I don't need both of them, and I like the way that one felt more when I swatched it, so we'll let that one go then. This Tarte double-sided, it's got gloss on one side and a bullet lipstick on the other. It's so pretty, but the bullet lipstick is almost too creamy. Like it slips and slides everywhere, and I just don't really use gloss enough, so I'm just gonna let that one go. This Buxom one, I feel like I will use this more now that I'm kind of decluttering, because it's a nice shade. This is like a pencil, and then this side has this weird brush. I don't know what you're supposed to do with it, but anyway, this is in the shade Dolly Danger. Like that color, like that product. And very last, this is Lumiere from ColourPop, and I hardly ever wear this. Not really sure why. It's a nice color, beautiful mauve, so we'll keep that. So I am keeping 4, 7, getting rid of 4, 7, 10, 11, plus 4. I'm getting rid of 15. That is really good numbers. So there you go. If you have not subscribed yet, definitely do that. I am still decluttering my collection as we speak, and there will be more videos for you. Okay, bye guys.